Assalamu alaikum class 8. How are you all? So this is the time of our English class. So all of you bring your books, English books, hold pencils in your hands. So let's start our work. Okay beta, in our previous lecture we finished the reading of the poem and we discussed the question answers. Now I am sending you the pictures of the word meanings, the question answers of the first lesson, that is a poem When I Heard the Learned Astronomer, and that will help you in understanding how you are going to start your work and how you are going to write down your word meanings and question answers on your notebooks. Okay, but all of you open your books at page number 4. We are going to start our B part, that is working with words, and the topic is contractions. Contractions mean short forms. So when speaking and informal writing, people often use contraction. Contraction means people often use the short form when they speak. For example, we say, I don't like it. Don't is the short form or the contraction of do not. He didn't go to school. Didn't is the short form or contraction of did not. So, in the same way, the poet has used few words in the poem which have been contracted, whose short forms have been written by the poet in the poem. So, our question number 1 is, which 3 words does the poet contract? You will find the 3 words whose short forms have been given in the poem. All of you read the poem and tell me those words which have been contracted in the poem. Okay beta, now come to the next part of page number 4, that is C part, learning about language. So this is about adjective phrase. So what is an adjective? Adjective describes the noun. Adjectives describe the noun. For example, a happy face. So a face is a noun and happy is adjective. A good girl. Good is adjective and it is describing girl. So now the question arises, what does the phrase mean? Phrase means a group of words that has no verb in it. Phrase is a group of words that has no verb in it. So adjective phrase is a phrase that does the work of an adjective in a sentence, and in these sentences you are supposed to underline each adjective phrase, and they are starting with preposition, for example of, with, in, etc. Okay beta, let's start underlining the phrases, adjective phrases in these sentences. So first, sentence number 1 I will do for you, and the remaining you will try to do yourself. I will give you 5 minutes to underline the adjective phrases from B to F. So sentence number A is, the balloon with the yellow stripes burst loudly. So balloon is a noun here. So which phrase is describing this noun balloon? And keep one thing in your mind, the adjective phrase, it starts with preposition and it does the work of an adjective. Adjective describes the noun. So I have told you that balloon is a noun here. Now we will try to guess which phrase is describing this word balloon. So as it is starting with preposition, so it is with the yellow stripes is adjective phrase here in the first sentence, and it is describing balloon. Now from B to F, all of you try to underline the adjective phrases, and after 5 minutes you will start telling me the answers of these sentences one by one. Okay beta, all of you hold pencils in your hands to underline the correct answers of these sentences. The dog under the table was growling at the cat on the chair. So there are 2 adjective phrases here. Under the table, it is describing the dog, and on the chair it is describing the cat. There are 2 adjective phrases. Under the table and on the chair. C. Next sentence is C. Those hills in the distance from the border between the two countries. Form the border between the two countries. Okay, again there are two adjective phrases. Number 1, in the distance. Number 2, between the two countries. D. The driver of the tractor slowed down and stopped. So, of the tractor is adjective phrase here. It is describing this driver. We went to visit the man with the large garden. So with the large garden is adjective phrase here, so underline it. We spoke to the woman in the green dress yesterday. In the green dress is a phrase and it is describing the woman. So underline in the green dress. Next is the love between mother and child is very strong. So here the adjective phrase is between mother and child. H. The artist's painting of the sea and the hills was sold for a vast sum. There are two adjective phrases. Number 1, of the sea and the hills, and the second one is for a vast sum. Okay beta, all of you underline these and you will learn the definition of adjective phrase. First of all, there should be two definitions in your mind separately. Adjective, what is an adjective, and what is a phrase, and then you will learn the definition of adjective phrase. And I have sent you the picture of adjective phrase where I have described separately what is an adjective and what is a phrase. All of you will learn the adjective phrase definition.